Hello everyone, in today's lab we will solve monitoring and managing big table health and performance lab. So let's see what is exactly big table. Big table is Google's fully managed scalable NoSQL database service. Big table is ideal for storing large amount of data in a key value store and for uses such as personalization, ad tech, financial tech, digital media, and IoT. Bigtable supports high read and write throughput at low latency for fast access to large amount of data for processing and analyzing. What we will do in lab, we will monitor disk uses. After that, we will auto configure our node scaling and the replication and how to take backup and restore data in Bigtable. So let's start the lab. I will log in into the Google console, copy this password and open in private window. Go to view all products. Under the database section you can find Bigtable. Click on your instance ID. Click here in monitoring. Go below this and you will find storage utilization. You can see here that it is showing in percentage total utilization. Okay, go here and click on this, which chart displays the storage uses as a percentage of total storage capacity for each cluster. Click on storage utilization. Next is, see here, in generally we recommend that you utilize less than 70% of disk storage in a cluster. For low latency sensitivity applications, we recommend that storage utilization per node remains 60%. If you want to generally use, then always utilize less than 70%. If it is for latency sensitive application, then remain it below the 60%. So BigQuery provides you the option of manual scaling or auto scaling of node count in a cluster. So if you want, you can auto set that if your cluster use goes, if your node use go beyond the 60%, it will automatically add a new node, or you can do it manually. Go to the overview, click on cluster ID, click here in edit cluster. You can see that it is set manually. You can do it as auto scaling, or you can do it by command line. See, this will be the minimum number of running node if there is no traffic, and maximum they can go to up to 3. And CPU utilization target, for how many percentage of use they will create a new node. We will do by a Cloud Shell. Copy this command, go to the Cloud Shell, click here, paste it here and enter. Authorize your Cloud Shell. As you can see that now auto scaling is enabled. Minimum and maximum is 1 and 3, and CPU utilization target is 60%. What is the storage utilization target for this cluster? 60%. Sorry, actually this is storage utilization. You can check it by here. Storage utilization is at 50%. Check my progress. So see, if you have only one cluster then there will be a problem of the durability and availability of your data will be limited to one zone where that cluster is located. Replication can improve both durability and availability by storing separate copies of your data in multiple zone or region and automatically failing over between cluster if needed. So we will go to overview page and we will edit cluster. I am in overview page. Click on edit instance, add cluster, write your cluster id name, region is US West 3, US West 3. It will automatically select any zone which will be available. After that